So class 3, I am going to ask you the questions based on EVS chapter 13 and 14. I'm going to explain this chapter, actually already explained. I'm going to analyze this chapter so understand it properly. Now, if I ask you, our solar system is a part, I hope all of you are hearing. Now question 1, our solar system is a part of which galaxy? Our solar system is a part of which galaxy? You have to say Milky Way galaxy, okay? You have to say Milky Way galaxy. Understood? We are revising chapter 13 and chapter 14, EVS. So our planet is a part of which galaxy? Milky Way galaxy. Now come ahead. If I ask you, what is the shape? What is the shape of our Milky Way galaxy? What is the shape of our Milky Way galaxy? It is triangular, it is round, it is oval, or it is spiral? The answer is spiral. Our galaxy shape is spiral. Okay. Now next, go ahead. Now we are at the stars. If I say the stars, what are stars? They are made up of what? The stars are made up of stones, made up of liquid, made up of gases, or none of these? The answer is gases. Okay? Gases. That means the stars are made up of gases. Now next, let's come to sun. Okay? You know that sun is the biggest star in our solar system. Without sun, there is no life. Okay? Now, it is the only source of income on source of surviving on earth, the sun's light. Okay? Now come to, and the sun is made up of hot gases of fire. Okay? The sun is made up of hot gases of fire. Now come to pole star. देखो, it is found directly above the North Pole, and it helps us in navigation of ships and other vehicle. जो बड़ा बड़ा जहाज जाता है ना, उसको रास्ता दिखाने में काम आता है पोल स्टार. And it does not change its position in the sky. तो अगर मैं पूछूं, the pole star, if I ask, the pole star does not change its what? Dash. The pole star does not change its dash. Shape, color, time, or position. The correct answer is position. The pole star does not change its position. Now come ahead. Now come to Sirius. You know that Sirius is the brightest star in the sky. It is white and blue in color. So if I ask you, which is the brightest star in the sky? Options are Sun, Apollo 1, Meteor, or Sirius. So the answer will be Sirius. Sirius is the brightest star in the sky, okay? Now let's come to moon. अब मून पे आते हैं. So you know that there are numerous moons in our universe. हम लोग के यूनिवर्स में बहुत सारे मून हैं, बट अर्थ में है एक ही मून. Our earth has only one moon, okay? और मून में ना ही हवा है ना ही पानी. It does not have its own light. मून के पास अपना लाइट भी नहीं है. It reflects the light of the sunlight. अब आ जाओ सरफेस. मून का सरफेस है कैसा? The surface of the moon is made up of rocks, mountain, plains, and craters. So if I ask you, the surface of the moon is made up of rocks, mountain, plains, and dash. तो क्या होगा? Seas, trees, mountain, na craters. It will be craters. The surface of the moon is made up of rocks, mountain, plains, and dash craters. Okay, craters किसे कहते हैं? Craters बड़े बड़े होल को कहते हैं. बिग बिग होल्स जो बना हुआ होता सरफेस पे गड्ढा, उसे कहते हैं craters. Now move ahead. Now let's come to the phases of the moon, okay? You know that the size of the moon appears to change every day. It has 8 stages. It has how many stages? 8. So if I ask you that how many phases does the moon has? The question is how many phases does the moon has? 6, 7, 8 or 10? The correct answer is 8. The moon has 8 phases. How many phases does the moon has? 8 phases. Okay, answer is 8. Now come to the more details and information about the moon. If I ask you, Dash was the first astronaut to land on the moon. Dash was the first astronaut to land on the moon. Who? Rakesh Sharma, Yuri Gagarin, Ernest Paul, Neil Armstrong. The correct answer is Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was the first astronaut to land on the moon. Okay? Remember this, Neil Armstrong. तुमको पता है कि मैंने बताया था अंतरिक्ष में कुत्ते और बंदर को भी छोड़ा गया था. तो who was the first dog to travel into our outer space? पहला कुत्ता कौन था जिसे स्पेस पे छोड़ा गया था? इट वाज लैला, इट वाज लाइका, it was Albert, or it was John? And the correct answer is Laika. Laika was the first dog to travel into our outer space. लाइका नाम का कुत्ता को पहली बार स्पेस में छोड़ा गया था. So Laika was the first dog to travel into outer space. Okay. Now next. Who was the first monkey to travel into outer space? पहला कौन बंदर था जिसे स्पेस पे छोड़ा गया था या स्पेस की यात्रा कराई गई थी? उस बंदर का नाम क्या था? जॉन, विलियम, एल्बर्ट टू और पीटर? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज एल्बर्ट टू. Albert 2 was the first monkey to travel into outer space. Albert 2. Understood? And with this, we have finished chapter 13. हम लोगों ने चैप्टर 13 खत्म कर दिया. रिवाइजिंग. अब मैं जा रहा हूं चैप्टर 14 में. द आर्ट फॉर्म्स ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, वेट. Yes, now we are at the art forms of India. You also open your chapter and book to chapter 14, art forms of India. आप लोग भी अपना बुक का चैप्टर खोल लीजिए आर्ट फॉर्म्स ऑफ इंडिया में. Now I'm going to ask question from here. I'm going to revise chapter 14 now. EVS chapter 14, art forms of India. Now if I ask you I have already explained you, and now I'm asking questions from inside the chapter. If I ask you, India has a dash of art forms, तो क्या होगा? India has a different of art form, style of art form, diversity of art form, ना varieties of art form. तो India has a diversity of art form. Okay, India has a diversity of art form. The correct answer is diversity. Diversity मतलब जो सब अलग अलग हो पर एक हो. ओके, जहाँ पे वैरायटीज हो. भारत में न जाने कितने सारे भाषा बोले जाते हैं, कितने सारा का खान पान किया जाता है, कितने प्रकार के कपड़े पहने जाते हैं, तो इन सब को बोला जाता है मिक्स्ड कल्चर. दैट इज डाइवर्सिटी. ओके, अब आ जाओ. नाउ नेक्स्ट, इफ आई आस्क यू, अगर मैं पूछूं आपसे मधुबनी आर्ट को दूसरे नाम से और क्या जाना जाता है? द क्वेश्चन इफ आई आस्क यू, मधुबनी आर्ट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज डैश. क्या होगा? ऑप्शन आर वर्ली आर्ट, मिथिला आर्ट, गायकवाड़ आर्ट और चित्थापर. द करेक्ट आंसर इज मिथिला आर्ट. मधुबनी आर्ट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज मिथिला आर्ट. Madhubani art is also known as Mithila art is the answer. Okay. Now come to worldly art. This type of art, if I ask you the question, this type of art, this type of art draws the different shapes like circle, triangular and squares. And show the everyday activities. What type of art is this? Madhubani art, Chittapar, worldly art, or Thanjavur art? The correct answer is worldly art. Worldly art can be shown by showing circle, triangle and square. ये शेप के माध्यम से ही okay. So the worldly art can be drawn by making circle, triangle and squares. Now come to the next art, that is Patta Chitra. If I ask you, Patta Chitra is originated in dash, where? Patta Chitra is originated in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Odisha or West Bengal. The correct answer is Odisha. Patta Chitra is originated in the state of Odisha. Okay. Patta Chitra. Patta Chitra is originated in the state of Odisha. Okay. Now come to Tanjore painting. Tanjore painting is from which place? Originated where? Tanjore painting is originated where? Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala, and Thanjavur. The correct answer is Thanjavur. The correct answer is Thanjavur painting is originated in Thanjavur. Thanjavur. Now come to Thanka art. Thanka art is originated from Thanka art originated from Tibet. Okay. Thanka art is from Tibet. Now come to fur painting. Fur painting is from where? Fur painting is from Rajasthan. Fur painting is from where? Gujarat, West Bengal, Bihar or Rajasthan? The correct answer is fur painting is from Rajasthan. Okay. Now come to kalamkari painting. Now if I ask you, this form of painting uses natural dyes and dash, तो क्या cotton, cloth, pen or bamboo stick? The correct answer is bamboo stick. Kalamkari painting, this form of painting uses natural dyes and bamboo stick. Okay. Now come to, where is Ajanta and Ellora? Where is Ajanta and Ellora? It is in Gujarat, it is in Maharashtra, it is in Odisha, or it is in Bihar. So the cave paintings of Ajanta and Ellora is in Maharashtra. The correct answer is Maharashtra. Okay. Chalo. And here I have finished chapter 14 also. So in this class I have finished revision for PT8, EVS chapter 13 and 14. Okay. Now I am ending my class.